Select Edit Mode. It will show your selected main program. Touch Fixed Sentence soft key. Select Fixed Sentence with start and end lines and touch OK soft key. Keep cursor between start and end lines. Touch G-code guidance soft key, then touch Input G-code soft key. Select Pocketing and touch OK soft key. Select Process as rough. Enter tool diameter as 10. Enter step over as 50 to 70% of cutter diameter. Enter depth of cut as 0.2. Enter side wall finish amount as 0.2. Enter bottle finish amount as 0. Enter common cutting feed rate as 2000. Enter plunging feed rate as 500. Select cutting method as down cut. Enter retract wall clearance as 1. Enter Z-axis clearance as 2. Select approach motion as 2-axis movement. Select plunging method as straight. Enter ramping angle for plunging as 10. Select pocket shape as square. Select figure type as concave. Enter Z-axis start position as 0. Enter total depth of pocket as -5. Enter X and Y coordinates of pocket. Also enter length and width of pocket. After all data filled, touch OK soft key. Program lines will be inserted between starting and ending lines. Touch left next page and touch close guidance soft key to close G-code guidance window.